The chef chopped up the garlic cloves. The blonde woman chopped up the carrots on the chopping board. The chef chopped up the meat. The chef chopped up the parsley on the chopping board. The woman chopped up the red onion on the chopping board. The woman chopped up the vegetables and put them in the frying pan. The chefs chopped up the cucumber and the red pepper on the chopping board. The man chopped up the cabbage and put it in the big bowl with the rest of the vegetables. The woman chopped up the spring onions. The woman chopped up the chili pepper with a knife. The man chopped up the red pepper with a knife. The chef chopped up the chicken breast on the chopping board. The chef chopped up the chives with a chopping knife on the chopping board. The chef chopped up the green cabbage. He was preparing coleslaw. The man chopped up some celery for his smoothie. The chef chopped up the pecan nuts on the chopping board. The chef chopped up the mushrooms on the chopping board. The chef chopped up lots of different herbs on the chopping board. The chef chopped up the tomatoes for the recipe. The man chopped up a leek on the chopping board. The man chopped up the tree trunk with an axe.
The man chopped up the wood and put it in a big pile.